What's going on, guys? It's Robert. So check this out. 10th gen Honda Civic. I have an EX and I also have an EXT. And most of you are wondering what's the difference between the 2.0 and the 1.5 liter front spindle slash knuckle. So I got this on Amazon. Company's name's A Premium. So if you Google, you'll actually see that. So I tried hooking this up. My Honda Civic was in an accident and it basically bent the knuckle. And at first I tried heating it. Now I got it kind of straightened out, but as you can kind of see, it's almost like this. Originally it was like this, so my camber was off. It was actually a lot of positive, so I needed a little bit of negative. So I heated it up and bent it, but you know what? I don't know if that's even safe, because it has a little groove this way. It should be just straight and kind of, you know what I mean? So what I did was I actually removed the hub. As you can see right here on the hole, this is the 2.0 CV axle, and this is the 1.5. Now, it looks the same, but it isn't. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. So we're at 0 millimeter, and just the hole itself right here. If I can do this with one hand, kind of go this a little bit, like around 26.79, around the closest 27. I think it's a little more than that. Let's see here. All right, 27. All right. You go on the turbo, and as you can see, the turbo's axle is actually way bigger than the 2.0. So again, that's 27, 37, I believe. Look at this. I'm not even there yet. So see what the turbo version is. And the turbo version is by close to a millimeter bigger. So even if you try to put this on your 2.0, it wouldn't work. And what I've noticed was, again, the CV axle and the this guy here, the tie rods, oh, not the tie rods, the ball joint, totally different. So you can see the hole in that, and the ball joint on the 2.0 is actually bigger. So two key components, if you were ever curious, because they do sell the 1.5, but how come they don't sell the 2.0? I mean, they do brand new, but not like cheapo, like what I'm looking for. So, and the reason why this hub is removed is because I was planning to actually remove this hub and use this knuckle or spindle. And another issue is, if you look right here, see that? That's like 78. Now if you go to the 2.0, there's no way. It's just way too big. It won't fit. There's a little piece right there. The size of the 2.0 is actually 71. So another millimeter, around a millimeter difference. Yeah, so it's not gonna work, guys. I mean, I tried, and let me show you the hole on the ball joint. I'm gonna do this. So okay, biggest is 16.88. Ball joint on a 2.0. $18.91 on the end of it. Almost 19 millimeter. So yeah, not gonna work. There's gonna be a lot of work to it if you are planning to just use this spindle Sucks. But looks like I'm gonna have to either find me a donor or just buy a brand new one and pay 500 bucks. This cost me only $150 complete, but for a 1.5, not for a 2.0. So there you go. Leave a comment. If you got any questions, I'll be glad to answer. Talk to you guys later.